In high-density fiber networks, one question matters more than any other. How do you clean fiber connectors reliably, without damaging them or slowing down your work? Traditional fiber cleaning methods can create real problems. Wipes, sticks, and click cleaners rely on physical contact. That contact can leave residue, generate static, wear end faces, and produce inconsistent results, leading to signal loss, failed inspections, and costly rework. The Sticklers Pro360 Touchless Cleaner solves these problems. Instead of touching the fiber end face, the Pro360 uses fluid flow technology, the Coanda effect, to clean the entire connector evenly and without contact. A 360-degree cleaning action removes contamination in seconds, without abrasion or variability. Here's what that means in real-world use. Fewer failed inspections because every end face is cleaned consistently. Fewer truck rolls and callbacks because cleaning works the first time. Faster workflows because there's no re-cleaning, no drying time, and no static buildup. With one press, the Pro360 delivers a precise microdose of high-purity cleaning fluid, followed immediately by pressurized air that dries the surface instantly and neutralizes static, so contaminants can't reattach. For teams managing complex environments, head-ends, central offices, data centers, OEM production lines, military systems, and FTTX deployments, the Pro360 replaces multiple specialty tools. Interchangeable tips allow one unit to handle your most common connector types, reducing tool changes, training complexity, and tool inventory. Cost control is built in. Each canister provides at least 2,100 cleanings, minimizing consumable spend and downtime. And because there are no disposable wipes or sticks, plastic waste is reduced, supporting cleaner work sites and environmental responsibility goals. This is why the Sticklers Pro360 Touchless Cleaner earned the 2025 CI&M Platinum Innovators Award, not for adding features, but for addressing the most common fiber cleaning challenges faster and more reliably. One tool, one process, consistent results. The Sticklers Pro360 Touchless Cleaner, the faster, safer, and more dependable answer to fiber end face cleaning. Learn more at sticklerscleaners.com.